Welcome to the video on Risk and Mortgage Protection Report. Our learning outcome for this video is to understand how to use the Risk and Mortgage Protection Report and how this can be used in the protection conversation. To access the Risk and Mortgage Protection Report, please click on Go to Report. This is in the top right hand corner on the Benefit Basket screen. It will then take you through to the Risk and Mortgage Protection Report screen as a separate tab. You can select which lives you want to include, and it will pre-populate all the client's personal information. You'll then need to answer 5 further questions in regards to the mortgage. Is it repayment interest only? Postcode, the monthly mortgage cost, the total outstanding mortgage amount, and the term of the mortgage. Once you do that, the Get Report button will turn blue. Please click it. Then within a 30-second period, it will produce a 1-page report for you. At the top of the page, it will give an open question. If the worst was to happen, how would you look after your family and protect your home? It will give the client names, the date it's been produced, and an overview of their mortgage information. You'll then have 4 different options to consider. In orange, we've got life insurance. This will give their risk of them dying within the 26-year mortgage term we've entered in this example. And it will give you an indicative cost of covering this risk, along with the total monthly cost inclusive of mortgage. On to the green option. This is for income protection. It will show their risk of being unable to work due to sickness for 2 months or more. And again, it will give you the price and the total cost inclusive of mortgage. In purple, we've got life and critical illness cover together. So it gives the risk of either suffering a serious illness or dying within the mortgage term. And in blue, we've got everything together: life, critical illness and income protection, their total risk and the indicative cost of covering this. If we then scroll down the page, you'll be able to see a key that explains in really simple terms what each type of insurance means to the client. There's a disclaimer: this document is not a quote or an offer of insurance. It explains about our indicative costing. On single benefit, this is normally within £1 either way of the cheapest 3. And for multi-benefit, we do allow for 10% either way. For income protection in this option, it is based on a short-term policy with a 5-year claim period. And it also explains here where the risk reality data has come from. Now at the top of the screen, you can choose to download and save a copy of this or email it to a client. Some people also like to add this into their own documentation, and you can simply do this by using a snipping tool on your computer. As you can see in this example here, I've added the risk realities but not the indicative quotes into an IDD documentation. It's up to you how you use this data, but it's really helpful with having a protection conversation with your client. So in regards to support available, you have live chat on the top of every page within Solution Builder, which is available from 8:30 AM till 5 PM Monday to Friday. You can also call us on 0345 408 4022 or email uk.support@ipipeline.com. We have a help site available, help.ipipeline.uk.com. Here we have knowledge-based articles, product frequently asked questions, live chat, feedback loop and user studies, and our training resources that include previous webinars and our bite-sized video library. Thank you for watching this video. A reminder of our learning outcome: to understand how to use the Risk and Mortgage Protection Report and how this can be used in the protection conversation.